Hi everybody, it's Wanda. I had paint left over, I have a dirty colander, so I'm gonna do another one. I did thin the paints down. I had to mix a little bit more magenta. Haven't added any more to the gold, so I may not even have enough. So since I thought I might not have enough, I went ahead and covered the canvas, and I didn't use the Liquitex. I used Artist Loft, and it's mixed with Floetrol. So that's what I have on the canvas. So now I have my dirty colander with those colors that I already used, and I'm gonna set it there hoping that I have it sort of centered. I'm not sure I do. I think I need to move it over just a little bit that way. Okay, I've got a bigger cup, even though I may not have more paint, just in case I do. So, and I'm going to not put the black in the bottom this time because that's what's going to come out last. I think I'm going to put the gold in the bottom. So, my paint colors, if you didn't catch the last video, are Chroma Dorado Gold, Liquitex Quinacridone Magenta, and Liquitex Basics Mars Black. Both those are basics. I have mixed it with Liquitex Gloss Medium and Varnish, some Floetrol, and a little bit of GAC 800 to hopefully keep it from cracking. And I'm going to layer my cup and then pour it in and see what happens. I thinned that, but it doesn't seem all that thin. Well, I don't want it too thin. And black's going to create a void on top of black. You know what? I'm going to thin those a little bit more. Especially that one. It felt like it was thicker than the others. I don't have much of it. Alrighty, now we'll go again. It's thinner, running better. I'll keep on going until I run out. Which may be now on this gold. Okay. I just stuck my finger on the canvas. All right, here we go. Oh, this should be fun. Ooh, it's coming out. I think it's more so on this side this time than that one. So I'm gonna tilt it just a little bit. I'm going to give it a little more time, I think, this time. I can start to see the dimples where the holes are in the colander, but I think I'm gonna give it plenty of time to kind of run through those holes. And see what happens. That looks very spider webby to me. I like it. So come on through, paint. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. I can't believe that. There's a lot of those little dimples. So maybe the first time I didn't hold it, leave it on there long enough and let it just sink through. Now this paint's thinner. Maybe that helped. Oh, wow. Now I'm afraid to touch it. I'm just afraid to touch it. I don't want to stretch it. I don't want to touch it. I just want to fix this black place over here. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's running off that edge, so I'm gonna turn it now. Apparently that side's down a little bit. Oh wow. I'm gonna show you all. I hope you all can see this. Can't tell where I am on the camera much without just really bobbing my head over. Okay, I'm dropping that off on that side. Just a little bit. Oh, now it's come off this side over here too. So. Let that run off really slow if it runs off. Oh, wow. The only thing that's kind of marring it is this big black and that big black and those couple of big black spots. I may leave it. It may crack. I don't know. I got a lot of black on that corner around these from that Liquitex. I just really don't even want to tilt it. Got a lot of paint on it though. Oh, those black spots seem to be stretching and getting bigger. Ooh wee, I wish I didn't have those. I'm gonna leave it just like this. Only, now I may have messed that up because there might have been a little, I must have gotten my palette knife into the paint just a little bit right there. Or I just pulled it too thin on the canvas maybe. Maybe I should just leave it alone. Awfully hard to do. I have some bubbles. Oops. That got into the edge that one. Okay. I'm going to leave it alone. I'm going to pop the bubbles. And I hope that it does not, keep my fingers crossed and hope it does not crack. But you know what? This would be pretty even if it did crack. It is beautiful. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm going to take the camera down, give you all a close-up finally. I do wish now that I had put just a tad. I wish I'd put more gold. If I'd had more gold, I think it would have really shown up better. And it may dry really dark where it doesn't show. But I'm going to take the camera down and show you guys how it looks. Thank you so much for watching. Hang on. Can you believe this? I cannot believe this. When I pulled that colander up, I was stunned. I was like, oh my goodness, look at that. This looks like some kind of exotic plant. Oh, wow. But I love this edge over here where it did that. And down through there. Wish it had kept doing that all the way around. I've got some of it up there, more stretched. And there, where my gold and magenta kind of faded into each other too much. But this is really pretty. I think that's probably came out at first before the paint had a chance to mix as I was going around and around. But oh wow, I'm so excited over this. Look at the definition in those crazy cells. They're not cells, I don't know what they are. In that crazy design, that's the kaleidoscope part that Molly was getting. And I really think that gloss medium and varnish is necessary for this. I haven't really tried it though. I think I tried it one time using Floetrol and just making the paint thick, and it did not work at all. And I did not post that video because I didn't even film that one because I had no idea what I was doing. So that's what I ended up with. I can't wait to show it to you at the end dry, and don't be surprised if it is cracked. Thank you so much for watching. I wanted to show you all that this one really cracked too. Of course, I left so much paint on there, that doesn't surprise me. So that's what I ended up with. I'm kind of sorry that I lost so much of that kaleidoscope part. I guess right in there is the part that I love, you know, because it's got that funny design to it. It's so unique. But that was my trials, and now I know you got to stretch that stuff. So if I do another one, I'll know from now on what to do. Thank you.